Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Reddit videos, and you can do this directly through the Reddit app. You don't need any external website, any external tool unless you're on your PC. In that case you do, but I cannot show you that. What I can show you is the one where you do it on your phone. Okay, very easy. You just come here. Let's look for funny videos to download. Okay, let's say this video right here. You want to download this video? You come here at the top right, click on these three dots, okay, and then you just come here and click on download it, the last option right here. Click on download. As you can see, it is currently downloading. Okay, the download has started, as you can see. So it is currently done. So if I go back to my gallery, let me show you. There we go. There is the video, okay? And it's really that easy and simple to download videos from Reddit directly through the app.